Guys, so today, this morning we are already again here at the beach, and I saw again the crab. Wait, where is the crab? I saw a crab. Where is it?
You said crab.
Huh?
You said crab.
No, yeah, I saw a crab here. I don't know where is it.
You
And,
need to catch one.
and this one is came from the beach. Where is it? So it was like around at 10 o'clock in the morning here in Albania now, guys. Where is your things?
Where?
Okay, wait. Give me this one. Give me. So everybody are swimming. Yeah. I need to put these things of this little boy. So where should we put this? Bring the chair. Bring the chair. Still have the sand. Ay. And then the boy will take a shower.
What?
So it's really hot.
You
People here. So everybody here at the beach again. Here guys.